Hey there, it's Daniel here from Developer at the Doc, and today I'm just going to show you how you can add the new Facebook custom audiences integration to your ActiveCampaign accounts. First of all, you're going to want to be logged into your Facebook account, whichever one it is that you use for Facebook ads. You're then going to want to log into your ActiveCampaign account, and then where it's got your name, just go to My Settings. Okay, and then from there you're going to go down in the left-hand bar to Integrations. And then you're just going to click the big Add Integration button, followed by Facebook. So this is going to open up my Facebook in a new tab. I'm just going to make sure that you're on the right one here. So continue as Daniel. You can review the info that you provide as well if you want to. But again here, there's only one thing that they're taking and that is required. So we're just going to continue there. Okay, and it's going to tell us ActiveCampaign would like to manage your ads. And again, you can see the information that they're going to have. So we're just going to OK that. That's going to bring us back to ActiveCampaign, and then we can see which account we've got here. So we've got one of my clients, and then we've got my own. And then if we just hit finish on there, then that has connected Facebook and ActiveCampaign for those. Okay, so that's how you add the new Facebook integration. I'll show you at another point how we use that in automations to add and remove people from different audiences. But yeah, enjoy getting that set up. I believe that you can add multiples of these, so if you do have more than one account, again, you can connect as many of these as you need. So if I wanted to then add the Get Storied account, but this time it's much faster because ActiveCampaign already has the permissions it needs on your Facebook account. Okay, so that's it for today. Enjoy the video. Let me know if you've got any questions, and keep watching for more information.